Hi, this is Bill. So on this demo, I'll be showing you Catalog Client Scripts. So it is a platform capability. To be able to get there, you need to navigate to Catalog, and under Service Catalog, it's Catalog Client Scripts. Now, as we drill down, it's basically similar to Client Scripts, but this is more specific on under a Service Catalog. So let us drill down to give you a better picture. So as we see at this form, what you'll see here, it applies to a particular catalog item or a variable set. And of course, as you're already familiar with the client script on the previous demo, what you'll find here is it could basically apply on this JavaScript events as well, right? And furthermore, you could choose a catalog, right? And as you choose a catalog, basically, it is assumed that the catalog is already existing, right? And as we choose a type as well, it also allows you to choose in terms of behavior. For example, you do onload, then this script is going to happen, right? And if you do on change, right, you choose the catalog item and you get to choose the variable name, which is dependent to that catalog. Now, let us dive into the demo. So I'll like to show you that you could basically create that under a service catalog, right? So let's move to maintain items. And under maintain items, let us choose a specific catalog or service catalog. So let's choose a laptop. And upon choosing a laptop, so fancy choosing this developer laptop. And let's basically copy. So by doing a sample, right, do an insert and stay, right? And we basically duplicated this catalog item. So now under this catalog, what you'll see here, it will have a catalog client script. But before we do that, let us create a variable, right? So let's do that. So we could have something to work on. Quite simple and straightforward. Let's create one variable in this example. Okay, so let's make it a single text at the moment, order 100. And let's say we are asking for a first name, and let's name it the variable first underscore name, and let's put a default value, which is Bill, right? So kind of like fancy that name in our examples. So let us move forward with a client script. I just couldn't stop my sense of humor, and let us click update. So we go back to the main page, and as we go back to the main page, right? So let us move to the catalog client scripts. Let's create a new one. So as you can see, right, before I click this new, I'd like to explain to you that earlier we went to the catalog client scripts and we needed to search for the specific catalog item. And what we're doing here, instead of searching it, right now it will default to this catalog item. Then this catalog client script is basically under already this catalog. So let's create a new one. And as you can see that the catalog item on the right is automatically populated. And let us put a name, and let's name it sample service catalog. And let's do a shortcut since this is not production, right? And let's say it applies to all UI type. And let us have an onload to make it simple. So let us do an alert here. So an alert, right? And let's say catalog client script has been loaded. And let us put a try catch just to make sure that we could catch any errors of the code, right? So this is not production code, right? So, but it is just an example on how catalog client script basically functions, right? So let's paste it there, and now let's do an alert here, and that alert will basically catch the error, right? As you can see, it's a type void, returning void, I mean. So error when loaded. So let's concatenate that with an error, right? And after doing that, let's make it sure it's readable. And let's do a G underscore form, right? That get value. So you could see that it could basically manipulate the variable in the form, And once we do that, it will ask for the variable name, right? Or the field name. And we named it like Bill earlier. So it should load. And on top of my head, I think this is the name of the variable. So let us do that. And let us do an alert. Like let's just encapsulate this one with an alert. And so the value will basically come out, right? So let's make sure that the syntax is correct and it's readable, right? Let's do a save. And after saving, right? So let's see and let us basically apply this and run it in the browser. So on the top right, you could basically try it. So let's click try it and see how it behaves. So now you can see that it has loaded, right? And it has loaded the script. That was our first alert. And the second one should be able to pick up the value, right? So as you can see, it has worked correctly. So we had two alerts and we have used the client API of ServiceNow using Service Catalog Client Scripts. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.